Still stuck in Excel, try to identify your production issues. What if instead you could see the flow of units immediately and identify bottlenecks and deviations? With WATS Unit Flow, you can do exactly that. Let me show you how it works. Unit Flow gives you a real-time visual map of how your units flow through production. And it is built entirely on your test data and repair data. WATS automatically identifies the main production path, so you know what normal looks like at a glance. And when anything deviates from that path, you'll see it instantly. For example, if a unit skips the steps, goes through the processes in the wrong order, or goes out for repair, each deviation is easily identified, no filtering, and no digging through logs necessary. You can zoom in to follow specific units or zoom out to see the full picture. It's a powerful way of finding root causes, streamlining processes, and reducing costly disruptions. And because it's based on your live test data, you know you'll always be working with the truth.